In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to replace the ear speaker on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. To begin the repair, remove the two pentalobe screws from the bottom of the device. Then use your razor blade and guitar pick to open up the device. Once you're into the device, disconnect the battery to isolate power from the phone. It's now safe for us to remove the screen, which is hiding underneath this large shield held down by 7 tri-wing screws. With the screen now removed, we can put the chassis to one side and we're going to concentrate on this ear speaker area here. It's important to note that whilst this flex cable is completely changeable itself, if you replace the whole flex cable, you will lose Face ID function. To combat this, we're going to use the soldering iron to remove only the ear speaker, keeping all the Face ID components intact and maintaining the Face ID function on the device. With the 3 screws removed for the ear speaker, we can just carefully fold it back, and we're not going to take this off at all. We're going to use the screen to hold this in place, and then using the soldering iron, we're just going to touch these 2 joints here. Before we use the soldering iron, I'm just going to lift up the flex from the back of the speaker here. That is stuck down a little bit, so use your tweezers to lift it up. And then we're going to get our soldering iron, and we're just going to touch these 2 points here to melt the solder, which, because we've lifted the flex already, it sort of springs out of place, and we can just remove the ear speaker from the flex cable. We can chuck that one in the bin now. Then we can get our new ear speaker, line that up where it belongs, just here. Make sure that the little holes sit in the correct place, and then that bit of the flex is stuck in where it belongs. And then I'm just going to use my tweezers to push the flex cable down in position, and then touch it with the soldering iron to melt it into place. Same again on this side. Melt it into place, and that's the speaker completely swapped over. Just inspect your solder joints, which I'm happy with in this case. So all that we have to do is fold this back over now, then re-secure the 3 screws. We can now install a fresh dust and moisture resistant seal and reinstall the screen back onto the motherboard. Re-secure the 7 tri-wing screws back into place. And finally, reconnect the battery along with the small shield and 2 tri-wing screws. We can now seal up and secure down the screen. And re-secure the bottom screws whilst the device is booting. It's important to test Face ID function after the repair, and the easiest way to test that the ear speaker is working is to play a video with sound, cover up the loudspeaker with your thumb, and then you should get sound from the ear speaker. That's how to replace the ear speaker on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.